Hey friends, so this video was really fun for me. I got to try out a lot of new things as a dancer, and I hope it was as fun to watch as it was to do. Real quickly, I just want to thank Ultrapoi for having sponsored this video and giving me the impetus to go out and get my flow on every month. If you would like to grab a set of the Orbpoi that I was using in this video, you should head on over to ultrapoi.com and use the promo code DREXFactor with a 0 instead of an O. That'll get you a discount on your order, and it supports my channel so everybody wins, yeah? I would also just like to take a moment to give a shout out to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, LMF Props, Spinballs, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can read more about all these amazing companies and the work that they do to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. Finally, I would just like to thank all of my wonderful supporters on Patreon for making it possible for me to keep my channel alive during the COVID-19 outbreak and to be able to, make a living doing something that I love. If you would like to sign up to support the work that I do, please head on over to patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. You can get early access to all of my content as well as a say in what topics I tackle in the future. Thank you all so much, and have yourselves a good day. I will be back tomorrow with another tutorial for you, this one on hybrids. So, see you then. Peace.